Previously, on a day in the life of facilities maintenance.
Buckle up for safety as I give you a day in the life of facilities maintenance.
Last spring, when the birds were nesting, they decided to make nests up in underneath the roof structure of our school, which led directly into the ceiling of a classroom. I think they've moved out. I'm going to make sure of that. And then I'm going to block the entrances so they can't do it again. Well, clearly we've been here before. Probably a good idea to double check just to make sure that these guys are empty. And yeah, I'd say they are. The birds that were living up here are no longer living up there. So, I didn't have to kill them. I didn't have to take them out on my own. They left of their own accord. And now I can go about blocking up these holes because they actually lead into the ceiling of the classroom itself. The scissor lift is actually a little bit wobbly at this height. It flexes back and forth. A little disconcerting for some people. You know, the other thing that I'm noticing up here is that it smells like poo. Well, I'm not done, but I've run out, so I'm gonna have to run across the street and get another bottle. I say across the street because Country Lumber is right across the street from our school, and we pick supplies up there often. However, the bottle is not empty. The problem is something's wrong with it. It stopped dispensing, so I thought it was empty. So I removed the dispensing gun to throw the bottle away. Well, it should be sealed if it's working correctly. It shouldn't be erupting like this. Which is kind of cool. The bottle is clearly not empty.
Yeah, so that foam mountain was completely unexpected. It's pretty awesome, actually. Gonna have to wait for it to fully cure and then pick it up as one big foam chunk and get rid of it. But these openings are now filled. There were also a couple more over this side, so I filled those as well. So that should block off access for the birds.
This was a short episode, but I wanted to catch you up on where we were at with the birds getting into the school. I really appreciate you watching. Thanks for taking the time to do so. We'll see you next week.